So today's weapon, really we're a weapon, is the Honda Goldwing. It's got the fully auto box, which is really crazy. It rides like a scooter. But I've just popped out from TTT Motorcycles to give it a little go. So, bear with me folks. Unfortunately, I've dropped my crash helmet this morning, so I can't have a chin camera on. So, no chin camera today. That's my radio. I don't need any of that. Put on home and navigation. Okay, we've got navigation up and everything. So we're good to go. I might have no gloves because my gloves liners will come loose. So let's do this. Bit of drive mode, and away we go. Absolutely butterly smooth. So if I was now heading to go see my son for a cup of tea, if any of you don't know, he lives in Gibraltar, this would be my bike of choice. Absolute dream. What a lovely bike. I've never ridden a Goldwing. Never had any intentions of riding a Goldwing. It goes down the box, and then I'll just drop it in. Not attacking a corner like I would like. You don't. It's not the sort of bike that you want to go cracking into a corner on. Just let the corner flow, and away we go. Beautiful. This has got all your usual modes: sport, rain, road, rider. I've just got it in tour mode because obviously I'm touring through Essex at the moment at a nice, steady, sensible speed. I'm also wearing the new Nolan carbon helmet. I unfortunately dropped my helmet when I got to TTT this morning, and it bounced off down the car park. Ben took it off me and cut the straps off because it's obviously not safe to wear. So fortunately, I've been given the Nolan carbon, I think it's the 804. I will have to double check on that. Never ridden with the Nolan on before. It's all news for me today. Really, really nice. Obviously I'm not getting any wind buffering because I am behind a huge screen. But the comfort, very nice. Considering it's designed, this one is the race helmet version, because obviously I'm racing. And I tried it. It doesn't weigh anything either. I'd have to give you some specs on that. What a lovely bike. I have to be back next week, so I think. Was it? Oh no, I've been about an hour, I said. You can't talk about torque or anything like this on this. It's so bloody smooth. And there's more gadgets on here. And obviously, if I was feeling a bit chilly in 30 degrees today, I got heated seats and heated grips. You do also have the paddle up and down if you wanted to play around with the gearbox. Obviously that's again something I won't be doing today, and that would be down to rider preference. And this rider has decided to stay completely in drive mode. Very, very nice. And got the nice with the backrest. I'm 5'9", and I feel like I'm sitting in an armchair. Very impressed. Overall handling, it's an absolute effortless ride. Takes some getting used to weight to start with, but it's very, when you're moving, it's light. It's that initial get your leg in over and pulling away without any clutch. Woo, weird. Oh, I can move the screen up and down. Oh, that's even more up. Oh no, no point having it up there. Might as well go in the car. Buffeting not a problem. Stunning motorcycle. Obviously all the bikes that I test are for sale at TTT Motorcycles, so it's TTT Motorcycle Village in Sudbury. So all the bikes that I am very lucky enough to ride are all for sale through Ben. Bit wide. Just making sure that I don't have any mishaps on the last few yards back to TTT. Overall impressions is though, if I wanted a bike that I was going to be now riding to see my son for a cup of tea, this is it. I wonder if he'll lend it to me. But overall, beautiful motorcycle. For sale at TTT Motorcycles.